Hi, good evening. How was today's trade? Hope all have enjoyed today trading because today there was a good volatility as well as made good profit. So you can see here this is a Nifty. The first candle 915 candle, 915 candle opened around 23,560 and first candle closed to 23,550. So hence what I selected 23,550 PE and CE. 23,550 CE and 23,550 PE. So now you can see here 23,550 CE, 23,550 CE. This is the first candle. First candle top it is there, and this is the first candle bottom. First candle bottom is around 179. So I put it in the bottom red. The same way in the other side, PE side, first candle was this one, and first candle was top was this one. That I will put it in red. So here if you see, here C side accelerator indicator, Avson oscillator both are supporting, and candle also, first candle also red. But the very good thing is made inside, next candle made inside candle. Whenever inside candle is making, the previous candle and next candle is inside candle is making, that inside candle, if it is breaking, there are lot of chance are there, it will go further down. So if it is breaking up also, it will go further up. If it is breaking down also, go further down. This is the beauty of the inside candle. This is the inside candle. So here if you see in the PE side have some accelerator indicator not supporting, but whereas the first candle got broken and PSAR is also not supported. Hence we are not taking this side trade. Up to 920 we are not taking the trade, and 925 also it is going the reverse direction. Here what I did, here I put the stop loss trigger order 179. So already got triggered. So immediately I put the stop loss 179 means 189, 199 around here. Here the top itself I put the stop loss. Then next candle got a red. Then I changed the stop loss to 182, 180, 179, 182, 3 point only I am risking it. Then next candle is green, red also. Then I straight away I am changing to the 161. But 161 got hit. This one green candle got hit. So next means around 940 got hit. Means we entered 179 and we exited 161. That means near about 18 point. We booked here 18 point. We booked here 18 point. 18 point booked. So next if you see, but Avson accelerator indicator, everything is supporting. Hence what we did, below this green candle, we put once again stop loss trigger order, which got triggered 147. 147, then straight away I trailed up to till this one. Means 131. 131, 146 means near about 15 point. Here 14, 18 plus another 15 point. Another 15 point we booked. Now this area is already accelerator indicator is got a reversal. So here the 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock if you see in the this side, 10 o'clock. So 10 o'clock if you see in the spot also, 10 o'clock spot also, it has came down to 23,368. So hence we cannot able to keep 23,550 as a PE. We put 23,400. We put 23,400 PE. So 23,400 PE, 10 o'clock you can see here. This is the 10 o'clock candle, 10 o'clock candle. It is trying to reversal. But whereas accelerator, Avson oscillator is slowly coming down. You can see here, this is a accelerator indicator is slowly coming down, and awesome oscillator is not coming down, it is going up. So in this scenario, we cannot able to take the trade up to this area. We cannot able to take the trade, but here there is a opportunity which is reversing. So hence what we did, we did below this fractal, we put the stop loss trigger order. Here we put the stop loss trigger order, and the stop loss we put in the top of the candle. Top of the candle. So what we did here, we got the entry. Means this area we got the entry. This area means where we got the entry. We got the entry near 10:45. 10:45 candle we got the entry. Then immediately this is also green. We are not changing the stop loss. Again we are changing the stop loss to here and here, and next, and we are straight away we are changing the stop loss to here. 150, 102. That means near around 48 points single stroke we booked 48 point. But here the thing is that this much patience means here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 candles means 40 minutes. 40 minutes keeping the trade is too much patience is required. So that is what many people may not sustain. Many people may exit 10 point, 15 point, 20 point itself. But here the magic is, so those who are ready to keep the patience and candle by candle, those who are trailing, definitely they will be in the profit only. So that is a 48 point we booked here. Again, if you see this accelerator indicator is already got reversal. So here there is no further this thing trade here up to this area further trade. Then again here also if you see there's no further trade. Here again this area is there is a opportunity is giving 1140, you can see 1140. 1140 is the 550, the same 23 550 only we are keeping here. Here there is opportunity. If we get this below this one, below this one you would have taken the entry, means this below this this one here it is a entry is giving. But whereas we got the entry, and I put what I did, I put the stop loss up to this area, below, above this one, just above this one, around 185. Here you see here the 174 and 180, 11 point we took the means this thing here 11 point we lost actually. So here we took the entry, but we lost 11 point. Then it's okay. Last 11 point here. So earlier we booked around 18 plus 15, 33 minus 11 is equal to 22 point. Now still it is there in the profit in the C side. So again if you see again this here there is an opportunity. If it is coming below this one, then there is an entry. Below this one there is an entry. So below this one means straight away it is coming here only. So now we got the entry at 149 here, and we put the stop loss above. Here I kept little longer because these all are green candle. That is why I did not change the stop loss. I put the stop loss here as it is 149 we entered, and here only I changed the stop loss. Then again cost. Then again I changed up to this area 121. 121 up to 121 I took this thing. That means here 28 point we booked 28 point. 28 point. So earlier profit and loss, if you see, that is 22 point plus 28 point now. 22, 28. That means 50 point now so far over. So far over on the C side. So here further if you see, further here I took the this thing straight away. Then stop loss got hit. Then further if you see there is no proper signal, and again what I did is the 3 o'clock signal here I did that. Here if you see 23,000 no 3 o'clock if you see the 3 o'clock if you see here 23,400 23,400 only 3 o'clock this 3 o'clock 3 o'clock and this 3 o'clock and what we entered here above below this one, because here this candle is giving the clear entry this candle is also giving the clear entry. So that is why we entered around 143, then exited 131, near about 131. Here above this one I kept 132, means 143 132 11 point. Here we booked 11 point. So total if you see, C side 50 point, P side 11 plus 48 means 58 59. 59 means total 59 plus 50 in the C side is equal to 109 points. It's a huge point, huge profit. Simple strategy is giving the profit, but only thing here the logic is the strategy rules we need to maintain properly, as well as our patience we should keep properly. Here one logic is there. So for example 109 point, 109 point, if somebody is taking, for example somebody is taking means somebody is taking 100 quantity, sorry now lot is 75, somebody is taking 2 lot, we will consider the 2 lot. Somebody is taking 2 lot 150 into 109 point means 16,000 rupees he has already earned. Okay, what my this thing is, what I am saying, don't think like that. So you just assume that every day you are capturing 50 points. So your quantity is 2 lot. So 2 lot means 150 into 50 point. So 7,500. 7,500 divided by 3, you just make it per day. The minimum you should take 3 trade. 3 trade means if all 3 if it is going loss, we'll have to exit. If it is going profit, then we can further take it. So for example 7,500 rupees you are targeting for 50 point, and you are targeting for 7,500. The same way 7,500 you are ready to lose also. That means 7,500 divided by 3 is equal to 2,500 per trade. 2,500 per trade means you are taking 150 quantity. 2,500 divided by 150 equal to 16 point. For example, you are taking the entry, and afterwards if you are keeping 16 points in the stop loss, 16 or 17 points if you are keeping the stop loss, then you will be in a position to capture all the move. Once initially you should keep 16-17 point, then afterwards once in profit, once in the candle is coming in profit zone, then immediately you have to candle by candle you have to trial. The main this thing is the main sustaining is the first candle, first stop loss. After entry, immediately you are putting the stop loss. That stop loss only if you are sustaining, then afterwards automatically you can able to capture everything. That once you are in a profit, you should not means have the greed. So you should try to capture full movement. So that is why you have to keep patiently, you have to candle by candle you have to trial. So sometimes you may be seeing that more than 2,500 rupees you may be getting. Even though you should properly, you should maintain the candle by candle the trailing stop loss, then only. So the entire means scenario, maintain whatever scenario, you will be maintaining that same setup, same logic, so that you will not be losing. So if you are changing your logic, for example, today in one trade itself you are getting more than 2,500 rupees, and you are exiting means tomorrow you cannot able to keep the patience, same logic, same patience. Then you will try to exit early itself, or try to enter early itself. So that is why you are keep on, you are changing your mind, oscillations, everything will be there. That is why initially you start with 2 lot or 4 lot, then 1 month you practice with 2 lot or 4 lot, then with the same logic. If you are 7,500 rupees, if you are losing, so per day, so total 20 trading trades are 20 trading days are there. So if you are assuming that you are losing all 20 days, then also you will going to lose only 1.5 lakh only, but which is not at all possible, because all the 20 days you cannot able to lose. So you, if you are following the system, definitely more than 15 days you will be in profit. Only 4 to 5 days only you will be loss. That 4 to 5 days only, also that will be a minimum loss only. There may not be a maximum loss, there will be a minimum loss only. The end of the day, even if you are taking a 4 lot, 2 lot, 2 lot itself you are taking, every month you can able to minimum 1 lakh you can able to capture. So with the 2 lot or 3 lot, you can minimum 1 lakh you can able to capture. So you are risking also, you are risking also 1 to 1.5 lakh in the month, and you are capturing also more than 1 to 1.5 lakh in the month. So that is a very simple this thing. The risking, what I am saying, risking is maximum. The worst case you will be losing that much. Otherwise, your risking will be maximum of 50 to 60K only in the month. So the profit will be only to 2. So that is what you just practice with 2 to 4 lot. Then 1 month if you are completing it, then you increase to 4 lot. Then you increase to say 6 to 8 lot. Then you increase to 10 lot. Then 12 lot. Like that, if you are making for the 6 month in the practice, then you will be in a better position to manage your all trade, position sizing, everything, and you can able to scale up month on month. So I think this is very enough for today. Thank you for watching. We will see tomorrow.